Dirty bad mind, but me do you so. Be a negative, you just a carry.
Me have to big up all the UK president.
Yes.
Everybody.
Just like how me big up Jamaica
America
government. No man, remember good no man. And me have to big up American president.
Yes,
Same way. So me I say,
One of them.
Then we know one time we know.
all across the world.
You got the president them in the world.
Yeah man, so you don't know.
Wrong.
You have to know if you respect each one. Remember, you know, brother. A whole heap we left Jamaica, go to UK, you know, brother. And it's that without them big man, they have them thing under control. And I can qualify for God them country, you know, brother. You understand me? So we have to say, brother, a big respect for who can left out and fly out. And welcome in another country, so I say. So I always have to big up Canada, you know, brother.
Every time.
Yeah, man, cause Canada a place where I be, brother, and I tell you, say, I want to see enough more people can just left here and go out, they go do them thing and forward. Not make it bad for yourself.
No.
You understand me?
No. Most of us, we can't travel today, go to some countries.
Oh, we make it bad for yourself, yeah, you know, make it bad for yourself.
But do one something you never did fit do.
Yeah.
So, once you go in a man country, brother, and live within rules and all that, he might go put you out.
I'm on a principle on the thing,
principle,
man. You know, so you see, have some country where a principle country
so,
there, you know?
If you not run with the mother, brother, you expect to get put out. And you can't blame the man to put you out time, please. Because you not going to come mash up the man place, brother.
True, man, a principle on the thing. The thing like possible like how we know if we done, you know? Man, you see Jamaica, you know, brother. Jamaica nice, you know. Jamaica going with things, you know. Where we can see ourselves in a Jamaica. Or go towards the thing, you know. So right now I feel like so we want to see ourselves for our next country. And I put out some nether country on the map to like how we put Jamaica back up there, you know. Put back Portland on the map, because Portland is one thing when enough people never did hear about, you know. And Portland now becomes up there on the map, don't it?
Portland is one place where nobody never recognized.
Yeah, you see it.
No star come from a long time.
Yeah,
Since
but
after
you know.
now Portland names start to mention more and more.
Because who do that?
You know.
Bawdacat.
Makes sense, man. Makes sense. You see it. So if we just have the real culture in a way where we know, say. Same way, it there one other country too. You understand me? Them have them culture in them, you know? Yeah, which as we say, we can't choose for a man, you know? But at the end of the day, me and you can see some good where the people them are done. So why take if we say, alright, big up on yourself, because you know do good. Yeah, man, you know how much blood claimers, Jamaican artists can left you go to Europe.
Yeah.
Go make a better income and can come home back and make enough man of Jamaica achieve from that. So we have to just make them president and you see a big respect to them, see way man to make a way for Jamaica can come out, they come achieve, you know. Yeah man, it makes sense man, a possible thing, you know. Yeah man, a real thing man, so anyway we look at it, it's supposed to see the possible side for all the one who deserve it, you know. Yeah, because more time even with ourselves I do good things to you know, and everyone see it, forgive it, possible that way. Yeah, you see it, I want to tell themselves.
Yeah, right.
Sure.
Enough people.
Very, you know. It's like that glory, I mean, I know him tell himself, say. Me forget it, you know, but him no want be the one where forgive me, you know. Yeah, so. Just one of them things that at the same time him knowing himself say him now can stop me from get it, you know.
But
him no want be up front for be the one where I do so to me and say, yes, cat, this is your glory, see it, yeah.
And, you know,
yeah,
give you whatever you forget.
Yeah, man, a real thing, you know.
A real thing, brother.
Yeah, man, a real talk, man. How much people are going to say them like what the Prime Minister do?
No.
I would have tell him I make him hear, say,
nice, but
yeah, me
well,
like
good.
where you do.
Yeah,
You understand me?
Yes, I am.
I'm not tell him, a man that knowing himself say, yes, the Prime Minister do little good, that's still in but him fuck up around there. So what about the good we do? You know, cover the bad.
The bad, no.
You understand me? Just look at that, man, and tell yourself, say the good cover the bad,
Cover up
man.
the bad
Yeah,
one.
you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Actually, go fuck where we go
That is
on,
the
brother.
reason why people always have this little proverb to say, you can't use one bad
And cover 10
and
good.
cover up 10 good.
No, that not go work.
You know, good.
No.
Remember, say 10 times me do good something, you know. And the one time me fall till you kill me, man. No, man, you can't give me a chance, man. Remember, me a good somebody, you
Yeah,
know.
man, you can't ease up, man. Yeah,
I
man.
couldn't mistake me make.
Simple.
I can't mistake me make, you know.
Me not
you have to
perfect.
So you no get chance.
Me not perfect, yeah.
You can't give man a chance.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember, I always I do good, you know. And the one time he make a little slip up, you plan to dump him. No,
Oh, man, him can't catch up back. Him
Yeah,
slip up,
man.
man. Him can't catch up back,
Catch up
man.
back in maths, man.
Yeah, man, him can't catch up back,
Same way,
man.
brother.
Then him no good again.
Him no good no more. No good anymore.
Still good, man. You can't correct
That's
back.
why you have to say, we have to give the props to who forget it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That
Give
is
the
it,
big
you
man
know.
them edge,
Give
brother.
the props
Yeah,
to
big
who
up the big
forget
man
it, you
them.
know.
Same we have all our heads who forget them ratings. Get it too.
Same way.
What due to Caesar, no due to him, sir.
Makes sense, man.
We are going to give Rex Caesar one for.
Mm-hmm.
If Caesar, you know.
Not too good for me.
Just relax yourself, man, and give me where me forget, man. Or give who forget it, brother. Give them it, man. Give man the glory from them that they forgive, brother.
True, man.
That's what I think.
How much are we going to know, say? Good did if you do and practice for the good.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, you're a man say, boy, that president here did good and that one here did bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do hear them thing there. But check your level in man. All of them do good, you know.
Yes. Yeah.
Don't it?
All of them do good.
All of them do
One
good.
way.
Have to do good.
Alright. All of them do good, and if him not done no good to me, him done it to somebody else.
Right.
That's
If
right.
him not done none to me, him done it to a part of my country.
Same way,
You
brother.
understand
bash
me?
him.
No.
No farmer way.
No
pass him,
farmer
can't
way,
bash him.
yeah, you
When
know.
you not get somebody
Yeah,
else,
cause
no
I
get
don't like him just a
Still
done
give
good
thanks.
to for himself alone.
Now can reach out to
No,
everybody
him
one
must
time.
reach to everyone, you know. So sometimes the president you lose terms and him not reach to all where him did want for do.
No cover and yaps
So I just me know we get the presidentship. To tell myself, say, you know, so me not put back no work, me I carry through everything.
That's right.
Then me not come see the bandit that carry through somewhere. Me never like when did I do.
No, it no looks so.
Yeah, well, what me not like, me not parky.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause me say people do good and people do bad. You understand me? So if me see bad and me want leave it alone, it's all up to me. And if me want gravitate to it, it's all up to me. Cause good and bad make everything possible, you know, and I just good alone, you know. But I have to know if you do the bad and do the bad, you know. Yeah, I just saw me see it, we have to
That's
do
why I
it.
tell you, say, you have two rows in front of you, you have to choose
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
Sometimes a man that want kill a man for the little wrong we going around there, so with him and some other people or some other doings, you know. But you have to check what go on sometime, you know. Yeah, man. Good and bad make up everything.
Check your levels and everything.
Yeah, man. Good and bad make up everything, brother. Me don't want to be bad, you know. No. But if it come my way, when me I go do, me have to go manage it. You understand my family? Me have to manage it, man. When me I go do. Now manage it, me I make it manage me. Yeah, me have to manage it, you know.
Right.
Not every man will do bad did want to. No. No, not all. Yeah, man will just sharpen them knife, say my guy road and he must kill somebody today. You know?
Yes.
It not happen today, but by the year, if he done the year, so him stab man and him end up at prison.
Yeah.
Yes, him no remember this way him did that, you know.
No.
No, then now you ask for you get.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Remember things is there for the whole of we, you know. All our things there for you, know. So if you ask for where you want, you will get it, man.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, man, you will get it, man. So, you know, you just
No
check
man
it
will
out.
go road and if he got a knife and him turn back off of you.
And him not come back home.
And him and him knife no come back. Him go kill man.
Yeah, man.
While
come
if
back
you just
home.
go and left the fucking
Yeah, man, it's simple,
him
man.
come back coffee.
Yeah, you never tell yourself, say, this is a reason make me
Make
left
you
that
forgot
knife.
it
Yeah.
today.
No, him have to have it.
Him say him have to go a road with it. Him can't travel without a knife.
Your life at risk.
See you go, they go do what if you do with knife there.
Your life at risk.
Yeah.
His life did that risk. Him just a tell himself say if him go out a road and nobody do him nothing.
Nobody talk to him, yeah. Him a go kill
and
today, yeah.
So him not travel if he turn back go with knife. Go kill people, go in a prison. Him not go back.
My wish is that no man have to do me nothing, you know, that's me and him have to
That's me and him have to eat and nothing that's he reach to no knife affliction.
Yeah.
Time can't stop me.
So when me a left out, me a tell myself, say not even a pin me no want on my clothes, cause no man not do me
The
nothing.
only thing me have a me lighter.
Yeah, who a go do me something? For what?
Can't kill nobody.
So me not have a intention of doing no man nothing, or have nothing to defend.
No.
You understand
Me
me?
have no enemy, you know.
Yeah, me just have a temple of mine where me just defend it in any corner, any region, any
man.
reason, you know?
Yeah, man.
So, I don't like me have your arms up to defend me temple.
No.
Me temple I defend by all my words alone.
Yeah, man. If you say
You
something to
understand
me,
me?
I can't answer you.
Yeah, man, me I defend my temple
Yeah,
long,
man,
long
me can't
time,
answer
man,
you.
from day
Anything you
one.
say to me can't answer you.
So
if
simple.
me feel like me feel
Yeah, man.
answer. Yeah, because me no must even answer you to you know.
Man, me not have to cast sword go a road.
No.
Remember on a war me I go, you know. A road me I go shopping, or go full joy self, or go visit people or something.
So where me I go with
Me I go
the
look for girl or some form of reason make me I go road.
Where me I go with this
Yeah,
sharp
me
object,
go that
yeah.
day a yard and feel like my foot them want walk out. You see when me I go walk out, me want to see some more faces or me want some more people to talk to. Me nah go look war.
No.
Yeah, man, if you make me have to tell myself, say you do the things that's me have to take up arms and come for you, me not just do so. Yeah, me not go up on the road and look war every day. You understand me, brother?
Me nah
It's
walk
just a
with
puff of reasoning, you know, cause
Yeah.
you know, and I like say, me a pre-war, but
No.
me just a show a man say a road me a go.
Yes.
For some form of reason, not for war. Me is not a soldier with a different post. When me know say the government call me and say me if you go down there so go kill or do whatever, if you do cry peace down there, and me that. No, me just a person of my own.
Yeah.
So I want to go to the road, go sit down and smoke weed and laugh all to myself or call to everybody when me see a pass it up to me. You understand me? Yeah. Me not think about a war if you go to the road and look war. That's me a pebble up knife. Where me a go? A butcher style me a go. Me a go, yeah, me a go cut meat.
Yes.
When? No,
Have
man.
all 2, 3 nights.
Yeah, for what? Then, you know, we get things we cut.
Yeah, go get something to cut.
You will get things we cut, man.
Oh.
Because you have what we cut things. You
Yeah.
understand me?
And just gear up to
Yeah,
cut
man.
something.
Yeah, man.
But
Me-
y'all go with so much
Me
cutting
drink
tool.
up grizzle soup and left. Cause girl, me I go low.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you
Yeah,
pull up body with grizzle soup before
yeah,
you
man.
go
And grizzle juice.
Yes,
yeah,
I-
man. And
yeah.
take up my pack of yai boots.
Yeah.
And me put on my clothes and me take myself.
And turn out
yeah,
a
if
bit.
me want mirror, me carry my weed and my whistle and my lighter. Me turn out.
Yeah, me I know war
Yeah,
something.
man. You understand?
I know ammunition.
Sorry, man. War with people a road, man. Who have a war? And for what? Then me and you a war now, you go hurt for me body. Remember my little body me have, you know?
You
Me
go
not,
chop, you go shot, you go
yeah.
stab me a whole heap of something.
Me no want none of them there.
Mm.
None of them there, me no want.
No, sir.
So true that me not try if you carry them there for give no man, you know?
No.